How to disable HDR video playback in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Instagram application. Then go to the profile icon. After that, go to the menu bar. Now scroll down and then in this content preferences you can go to your app and media and then go to data usage and media quality, and here simply disable upload at highest quality and make sure you have enabled data saver so the videos won't load in advance, and also SD videos won't be played in Instagram. Go to high resolution media and then select never. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.